Excited about this because our next guest is allowing us to truly experience the Caribbean in every bite with her delicious pastries. Here with us once again is the owner of Diddy Island Delights, Yannick Rule, and I'm so excited you're back. It's great to see you again.
Yes,
How have you been?
Yes, I'm doing good. Wagwan, wagwan.
That's just amazing. It's the holidays, and of course we all know you're from Jamaica, for those of you who don't know. So tell us why the name Diddy means so much to you.
So Diddy was the name of my mom, and these are the pastries that basically sent me through school. She used to sell them on a Sunday. People would come knock on the door. You have no more greater cake or drops?
Oh my gosh.
So yes.
These are all of her recipes. Then.
Yes.
Oh,
and
wow.
our plan was to basically start a pastry shop when I finished college. However, in senior year, she did pass away from cancer.
And I'm so sorry.
I know, you know, that's the sad part about how the business started. But the good part is, every time somebody asks me, "What's Diddy?" or "Tell me about your logo," that's my mom.
Exactly.
So I get to keep her name alive.
I love that. I love that. And you have so many great things and great treats that you sell. So you mentioned a few of those. So tell us a little bit more about them.
All right. So we have 4 signature items at the moment. This is going to be the grater cake. This one right here.
Oh, I got it.
It has pink and white on each side.
Can I try it? I'm going to be
Go
trying
ahead.
all of it. I'm being Shannon right now. All right. Oh my God.
It's really good.
It's so good. And it's sweet.
Right.
I just dropped it down my shirt. It's okay. What's this one?
And this is called the coconut ginger drops. You can go ahead and put it in
Okay,
there.
right there.
The coconut ginger drops. Now this is made from diced coconuts, ginger, spices. Not gonna tell you all the ingredients.
Oh my gosh, this is delicious.
Really
now, you can't
good.
give all the ingredients away
Right.
because people would be wanting them making it, but it still would be the same because you make them a beautiful way. And you got some others too. What's over
it
here?
really melts on your tongue. And then this is the peanut cake. So you know, if you don't like coconuts, but who doesn't like coconuts? If you don't like coconuts, you'll definitely like the peanuts.
Okay.
So this is peanut and brown cane sugar, and it's caramelized.
I love peanuts. This is so good. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is great. I can't even talk now.
Okay, so awesome. And then the 4th item, last but not least, it's customer's favorite, is the gizzada. Can you say it?
Gizzada.
Yes, gizzada.
Okay.
You got it.
So how do you make it?
Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the gizzada. Basically, you start by cracking the coconut, you take it out of the shell, and then you grater it. So you take the skin off and you grater it right here. So after you finish gratering that, you basically just have it in a pot. I pre-cooked it because
that's what you have to do.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
So I cooked this in a lot of ginger and spices.
Don't tell us everything else because you want to give it away.
and
then what do you do?
And I really want you to smell it because it's really good.
I love the smell.
Oh my God, yes.
Oh gosh, this smells delicious. And of course it's perfect for the holidays.
Yes.
Exactly.
So I'm going to show you how to make the crust.
Okay, so give me that real quick because I know we're running short on time. So
what I did was I rolled it already, so I'm just going to have you do this.
Okay.
So basically you're going to get your dough and you're going to put your index finger on your thumb.
And just pinch
you're gonna
it?
Squeeze it and pinch it. And it's so funny because they call the gizzada pinch me round.
Oh, why?
Because you're pinching it around.
Oh, pinch around. I love that. I don't even say it right.
But kind of put your other index finger in there.
Oh, to push it. Oh, okay. So I'm pinching and I'm not doing it right around. Oh, I get it.
You see?
Okay. And what do you put on it real quick? This right here?
Right. So you're gonna basically take that coconut filling after you finish the sides, and you can squeeze on the outer edges to make it look a little bit better.
Okay. All right. And then quickly we just put this on.
Right.
Just with your hands
so you're
or
gonna
with
grab
the
your
spoons
spoon.
I just grabbed.
Right. I know you grabbed it.
I know. And just drop it on because I know we're running short on time. I'm going to borrow this one.
Right.
Okay.
I did make that one
pile
for
it on.
you.
Yeah, and I appreciate it because mine's a hot mess.
And
also, you are using real quickly your pastries as a donation, right?
Yes, so basically right now our Christmas family box has like 1 dozen. They're right here. They come with 1 dozen of everything. And they used to be $44, but online, www.dtislanddelights.com, it's now $35.
And the donation goes where?
Starting today, right now, every time somebody from Houston buys one of our boxes, we'll donate $1 to Foundation Houston.
Oh, I love that. So you need to do that. Visit DiddyIslandDelights.com for more information. Also, follow them on their social media at Diddy Island Delights. Make sure you buy this so they can help make donations and help this holiday season continue to be amazing. I'm going to continue to eat, and we'll be right back with more Morning Dose.